So now let's see how you can insert shapes and lines inside of your Google slide. So to insert shape or line, then you can go over here on to the top where it says shapes. So here you can select different shapes that you want to insert, or you can go over here for the line and then choose different line that you want to insert. So let me just go over here in shapes now and then go to shapes menu. So you can see that there's different shapes that I can pull in. I can pull in, let's say for example, a rectangle, click and drag it, and then there you go, a shape has been made. I can resize it, I can rotate it by using these handles as well. Click and drag it to place wherever I want to place them. Let us go over here and let's say for example, I want to insert a square. Then in order to do that, I'm going to select a rectangle, but this time I'm going to hold shift on my keyboard, click and drag it, and there's a perfect square, as you can see right there. Same goes for the circle and oval as well. So I can go around over here, take the circle, click and drag it, that's the oval. But if I were to go to shapes, click on this one, click and hold shift, drag it out, and that becomes a circle. So there's different shapes that you can pull in. I'm just going to drag in this one right here. Now some shapes has this extra point right here, which is yellow. If I were to click and drag it, you can change the outlook of the shape. If I were to go on to shape right here, let's say for example, I'm going to go to the smiley face. It has one on the mouth. I can click and drag it to make the smiley face frown, or make it smile back, or I can just make it neutral, just like that, as you can see. So now there are other options. There's arrows that you can click and drag. And again, you can see that there's 3 dots right here. So I can pull that out and then change the overall shape as well, just like this. I can just pull this out, I can drag it out, and so forth. Let me just go into shape again, and over here there's callouts right here. You can click and drag it out. There's different callouts right here. There's equation and so forth. So these are the shapes. The other option you have are the lines. So if I were to go over here, there's fairly less bit of a choice right here. So there's line. If I were to click and drag it, that's simply a line right here. Arrow is a line with an arrow right there. And then you have elbow connector to connect 2 items together, as you can see right here. So you can go around onto elbow connector, click and drag it right here, and connect out 2 shapes as per what you like. There's a curved connector. You can click and drag it, connect out shapes right here. And then there's polyline right here, which you can click and join together to make a shape of your own as well. Then you can scribble to click and drag it around and make a shape of your own, just like that as well. So click and drag it. So it's going to go around and gonna click this, click and drag it right here, and there you go. That is how you can create it out. And that is how you can insert shapes and lines according to what you need in Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.